You know, there's children that are going to school without shoes. There's children that are going to school with no food.
Some residents in Oceana say the streets are living up to the nickname Oxyana. Lifetime resident and now Westside Pharmacy owner Devonna West says she's seen drugs ruin many lives in her town.
Children that are going to school, that the only meals that they get are what's at school. Well, the reason being is because maybe their funding from the state or their funding from their parents' paydays, etc., are not going to take, the family needs.
But addictive drugs such as OxyContin or methadone are not the only prescriptions causing problems in southern West Virginia. As a 20-year pharmacist, West gets a unique perspective of the issues.
A lot of children are treated for attention deficit disorders, which their medications would be, in terms of an adult, it would speed them up and it would give them a high, it would give them that race. So a lot of times we have parents taking their kids' medicine for attention deficit, so they end up at school with no medicines, the pharmacy gets called, physicians get called, and it's just one big circle.
Prescriptions aren't the only thing children are going without.
The parents take the money and they use it for other things to get the drugs. And there's nothing left for the kids to buy the food for them. While the parents are content to go without the food, the children become the victims.
One Voice is a nonprofit, religious-based organization in Wyoming County. The group recently started a food drive for homeless or neglected children in the area. During the spring, children from Oceana were given the chance to write anonymous letters to their elected officials. They told the politicians how drugs have affected their lives.
And they began writing the letters, and things began to surface that we couldn't begin to imagine.
Petra Brown says when group members heard of the problem, they teamed with the Department of Health and Human Resources to distribute bags of food.
We've got a lot of different things. We've got peanut butter crackers, puddings, fruits.
Brown says they get about 30 to 50 requests per week.
We wanted easy to prepare things that a child doesn't really need assistance with.
Westside Pharmacy hosts one of the drop-off boxes for the food drive. West says she and her employees also make sure the boxes are full each week. She says it's her way to give back, but mainly it's her faith that keeps drawing her support.
And I think that's one good thing about One Voice is that it allows God to come into play.
One Voice has placed drop-off boxes throughout the county in area businesses and other locations open to the public. For West Virginia Public Broadcasting, I'm Jessica Lilly in Wyoming County.